Hi, my name is Reed Nevling. I drive a 2017 Audi S8 Plus. I just had it in at Urban Werks for window tint removal and LLumar FormulaOne Ceramic Window Tint install. I came here for my window tint because I've been to a bunch of cars and coffee events here. I usually come every month, and the guys that work here come to the cars and coffee events. They're real car guys. They definitely take extra attention, take extra care with your car. Make sure that even the little things are done correctly. So for a guy like me that really cares about his car and wants to keep it in good shape for very many years, just want to make sure that everything that I have done is to the best of someone's ability. So the experience was quick and easy, quick conversation, very easy conversation. You know, I told them what I was looking for. They told me what they would recommend, and like I said, they're good enough that I'd go with their recommendation. Drop off was easy, scheduled it right then through the text message. Coming over, you know, I was really excited, had my girlfriend with me. She wanted to check it out. She was also excited, and the end product looked great. Talking with Steve was super professional. He brought up the expectations as far as the curing process for the window tint. He mentioned, you know, bubbles, possibly in the tint that would cure out over the next couple of days. I didn't really notice any bubbles. Maybe a few streaks here and there, but after a day or two, it was pretty much perfect. So I know they said something about extending the edges of the tint and filing it down, and compared to the old tint that I had on there, it's a night and day difference. I mean, it looks like as close to OEM glass as you can get. And these guys are the best in the county. So that's the county, best in surrounding counties. I mean, I don't really see anybody in Berks County, Dauphin County, Chester County that does this stuff better. So in the future, definitely plan on coming back. The same amount of effort they put into the GT3 RS that they have, they'll put into a Toyota Corolla or anything else that you bring them.